Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right Azure account and subscription access. This saves backtracking. Open the Azure portal and sign in with an account that has at least read a role on the tenant. Once signed in, navigate to Azure Active Directory and note the tenant ID and subscription ID. Keep them handy because you will reference them in the next steps. Make sure to use the portal view set to the correct directory if you manage multiple tenants. Next, you search for the main Latch resource. In Azure Active Directory, choose App Registrations or Enterprise Applications depending on how Latch was created. Once there, filter by the Latch name or publisher to narrow results quickly. When you find the candidate, open its overview to view the application, client, ID and object ID, and check owners to confirm who controls it. If it's not clear, move to the resource group to trace related. Finally, you verify access and finalize changes. Inspect role assignments and API permissions for the main Latch app and grant or request the minimum required roles. Then test authentication or API calls in a sandbox subscription to confirm the main behaves as expected. If you need to change ownership, do it during a maintenance window. Troubleshooting tip. If you can't find the app, search subscriptions and check whether it was created under a different directory or renamed. Switching directories often reveals it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.